Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what is happening to NorthOne Bank accounts. If you are a small business owner, freelancer, or startup using NorthOne for your digital business banking, you might have noticed shifts in how fintech platforms operate. NorthOne functions as a financial technology platform rather than a traditional chartered bank, partnering with insured financial institutions like the Bancorp Bank, NA, to provide business checking accounts and FDIC pass-through insurance. The primary conversation surrounding digital banking platforms like NorthOne centers on compliance updates, fee structures, and account verification standards. Because fintech companies operate under strict regulatory scrutiny, banking partners frequently update their risk management policies. This means account holders often experience tighter compliance reviews, mandatory identity re-verifications, and automated triggers that can temporarily freeze or close accounts if business activity falls outside acceptable usage policies. At the same time, NorthOne has continued to roll out platform enhancements, including tiered subscription models like their Standard and Plus plans, integrated software tools, envelope budgeting features, and yield opportunities on eligible balances. Users are expected to maintain strict compliance with transaction limits, card spend requirements, and documentation updates to keep their accounts in good standing. If you utilize a digital business checking account like NorthOne, the best way to protect your funds and prevent sudden account disruptions is to ensure your business registration documents, contact information, and transaction descriptions remain completely transparent and up to date. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.